So, you are ready to download your Canva design, and then, for some unknown reason, something goes wrong. You either get an error, the button won't respond, or Canva throws a message at you that makes no sense. If you use Canva often, then you know what I'm talking about. So, what about fix this together, step by step? Let's start with the basics. Canva needs a steady connection to save and download your files. So, click File and Save at the top. If it says all changes saved, you are good. If it doesn't, your connection might be the issue. Try switching your Wi-Fi off and on. You should also try to restart your router or modem, and if you are using VPN, turn it off. Canva and VPNs don't always get along. This small change often fixes the problem in seconds. Another solution is to understand that Canva has a few limits. If your design is huge, with more than 50 videos or animated parts, or over 300 images or design elements on one page, that could be the blog. Canva just can't handle that much in one go. And here is what you can do. First, click File and then click on the Make a Copy option. Work on the copy so you don't lose your main project. Try deleting some parts or split your design into smaller projects. This works especially well if you have lots of pages. So, if you only have a few pages, Canva should download without a fuss. But if your design feels crowded, trimming it down helps. Another easy fix is by cleaning your browser data. You know, sometimes the browser gets messy. All data builds up and slows things down. And here is a quick cleanup. First, click on the three dots in your browser. They are usually top right. Now, click or delete browsing data. This action will open a new window where you see multiple options. I like to tick cookies and other site data and images and files. This should be enough to fix Canva. So just click on delete data, and after that restart your browser and try Canva again. Another easy fix you can try is to turn off problematic browser extensions. You know, extensions are like background apps in your browser. They help with all sorts of things, but some mess with Canva. To test it, first click on the three dots again, then go to the extensions and then click on Manage Extensions. Now, turn off all extensions for now. In the next step, head back to Canva and try download your design. If it works now, one of those extensions is the troublemaker. If all else fails, try this. Open Canva in another browser. If you are using Chrome, switch to Firefox or Edge. Still no luck? Try Open Canva on another device. Why? Because the problem might not be Canva. It might be your browser or your device. Still not working? Then it's time to bring out the big guns. First, open Canva in your browser. Then click File at the top left and scroll to Open in Desktop App. In the next step, download and install Canva's official app for Windows or Mac. The desktop app is more stable and usually skips the download issues you see in browser. Now, let's talk about that annoying message. There is only one image or graphic on your design. Premium images can't be exported on their own. Add more elements and try again. Canva does this to stop people from downloading premium stuff without making an actual design. But here is the trick, you can still make it work. Here is what to do. Start by adding the premium element you want. Maybe it's a sticker or a cool icon. Then add another element. It can be anything, a shape, some text, or tiny dot. In the next step, shrink it down. Make it super small and then make it invisible. Set the opacity to 0 or slide it off the canvas. Now try to download it. Yes, you just outsmarted Canva. It thinks your design is complete now and lets you download it. This isn't cheating. You are using your Canva Pro access or credits. You are just giving Canva what it wants, more than one element. Look, Canva is an amazing tool. It saves time, makes your work look great, and it's fun to use. But when download issues pop up, they can drive you nuts. I've been there, frustrated, clicking download again and again. But once you know these tricks, it gets easier. And next time Canva gives you hard time, you will be ready.